Hi, I'm Matt with Stone Heating and Air. We understand how uncomfortable your home can get when the AC quits working. You want it fixed right, fixed fast, and you want a fast quote. Unlike some companies, we won't give you a quote until we see what the problem is. We will then give you a rock-solid price and then stand behind it. At Stone Heating and Air, we rely on years of experience backed by support from companies like Carrier. Turn to the experts and meet me at the thermostat, and we'll fix your system the right way with a stone-cold guarantee.